What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. The brightness is a bit too high. Did it go down? Oh, I think that's okay. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna go over Solana. Currently, we're sitting at 251. We're up 3% on the day. Market cap 119 billion. 24-hour volume 5.07 billion. So, as you can see, we pushed up in a 1, 2, 3. So it does look like we may see pullback in our wave 4 from here. So you look for a bounce in between 209 and 238 before pushing up in the wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3, which I can show you guys here. If I zoom out, where are we at here? Yeah, so all the way from let me put it on the daily chart. From down at this low at about $1.12, we pushed up in a 1, we pulled back in a 2, and you're pushing up in a wave 3 within that wave 3 or 5 waves. So we've completed the smaller wave 3, looking to pull back in a 4 before continuation up in the wave 5. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we pushed all the way up to that previous all-time high. We slightly broke it. We reached the target of the descending triangle. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some pullback, but we are in a bull market. So of course anything can happen, but we are quite overextended. So it would be healthy to see some consolidation, a little bit of pullback before continuation. Just know that price can explode at any time. So there's your little update for Sol. We're in 3 trades right now. We're about to hit our take profit on Matic. We're in a trade for Ethereum, or sorry guys, Polygon. We're in a trade for Ethereum, as well as Turbo. If you want completely free access to my trade signals for life, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. It takes 30 seconds. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. BITUNIX is available worldwide. No KYC, no VPN. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on your fees on every single trade, up to $5,500 in bonuses. Takes 30 seconds to sign up. Once you do that, send me email. You get free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long, as you can see. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.